Today, I am reviewing the GEEKOM A7 Max gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let us start by looking at the chassis and design, because the physical presentation of the A7 Max is stellar. GEEKOM has housed this unit in a beautiful, premium, all-aluminum alloy chassis that looks incredibly sleek, professional, and minimal. It takes up a tiny fraction of the space of a traditional desktop tower, meaning you can easily slip it into a desk drawer, carry it in a backpack, or mount it cleanly behind a monitor. Despite its incredibly small footprint, the build quality is exceptionally durable. It is engineered with a rigid internal frame design to resist immense pressure, meaning it is built to last for years of daily use and travel without deformation. Moving under the hood, the undisputed star of the show is the AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor. Built on the modern architecture with 8 cores and 16 threads, this flagship chip clocks all the way up to an impressive 5.2 GHz. In everyday testing, it handles standard office productivity, heavily layered web browsing, and multi-app switching completely flawlessly. Where it truly shines, however, is in content creation and artificial intelligence workflows. It includes a dedicated Ryzen AI engine that actively accelerates operations in programs like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. When you are rendering out 4K video files or handling complex timelines, the artificial intelligence processing offloads heavy tasks from the main CPU, allowing your machine to remain fully responsive for other work. Graphics performance is handled by the integrated AMD Radeon 780M GPU, which features cutting-edge architecture and even supports ray tracing. Because it lacks a giant, dedicated power-hungry graphics card, it keeps the computer exceptionally energy efficient. Do not let the integrated label fool you, though. This system is fully capable of smooth 1080p gaming on popular AAA titles at medium settings, and it absolutely flies through popular esports titles. Whether you are a casual gamer jumping into an online match after work, or a creative designer working on 3D modeling and photo adjustments, this graphic solution punches well above what old-school mini-computers could ever manage. Let us discuss the memory and storage configuration, because GEEKOM has handled this with a very unique, consumer-friendly approach. The A7 Max comes equipped with 16 GB of premium DDR5 memory and a 1TB Gen4 NVMe solid-state drive. Amid global supply chain alerts regarding component shortages, GEEKOM managed to secure high-speed DDR5 memory, which delivers up to a 70% speed increase over older DDR4 platforms. What makes this configuration spectacular is that it uses a completely non-solder design. The system features dual slots, with one slot occupied by a 16 GB stick, allowing you to easily expand the memory up to an insane 128 GB on your own terms. The 1TB solid-state drive provides instant boot times and rapid file loading, and it can be expanded all the way up to 4 TB. Photographers and videographers will also love the built-in high-speed SD card slot on the chassis, which supports cards up to 2 TB for rapid media offloads without external adapters. Connectivity is another absolute masterclass on this device. The back and front of the unit are absolutely packed with options, featuring dual 40 gigabit per second USB4 ports and dual HDMI 2.0 connections. This incredible layout allows you to drive up to 4 individual displays simultaneously without any messy external docking stations, adapters, or risky modifications. You can easily copy a massive 10 GB creative file in roughly 2 seconds flat. Furthermore, a single cable can handle data, display output, and power delivery via compatible monitors, resulting in an exceptionally clean, cable-free workspace that is perfect for day traders, video editors, and heavy multitaskers. For connectivity on the internet side, GEEKOM went a step further by including dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports. Having dual high-speed network jacks allows for absolute physical isolation between internal corporate networks and external public internet channels. This makes the machine enterprise-ready out of the box, perfectly suiting it for custom network firewalls, network-attached storage setups, load balancing, or home virtualization labs where continuous uptime is completely non-negotiable. To keep this massive performance stable during multi-hour marathons, GEEKOM implemented their self-developed IceBlast 2.0 cooling system. Utilizing dual copper heat pipes and a highly efficient, silent internal fan, it delivers over 200% better thermal conductivity than standard cooling configurations. Even under heavy stress, the fan noise stays below a whisper-quiet 36 decibels. There is absolutely no aggressive thermal throttling or loud jet engine fan noise to break your focus, ensuring a cool, quiet, and highly efficient workstation all day long. Finally, the peace of mind factor is top tier. The unit ships with genuine Windows 11 Pro pre-installed and carries full global safety certifications. GEEKOM backs the hardware with an industry-leading 3-year coverage plan and responsive live customer support, proving their commitment to longevity. To sum it all up, the GEEKOM 2026 edition A7 Max is an absolute triumph of mini PC engineering. It successfully replaces heavy, loud desktop towers by packing an elite Ryzen 9 processor, expandable next-gen DDR5 memory, stellar Radeon graphics, dual network jacks, and 4-screen monitor support into a beautiful, pocket-sized aluminum block. If you want top-tier processing power and comprehensive hardware protection without paying for excessive pre-bundled upgrades you do not need, this Prime Day deal stands out as an incredibly smart, forward-looking investment for any professional workspace.